guys, welcome back to another video. And today we are going to open up some Disney pens, like mystery pens. And I'm super tired, and it's in the middle of the night when I'm filming this because earlier I did not feel good, and I'm filming this on a Sunday morning in the middle of the night. So on Saturday I went to my friend's house, and then half hour before I went home I got sick, and let's just say that things turned for the worse. I threw up. Probably didn't need to know that, but I did. And that day I was receiving a package from BoxLunch, obviously, as you can see the title. And I have some Disney pens in here. So there's 2 pens of each of what I got, so 8 pens in total. And let's just jump right in. And I look tired, and if I start yawning like I just did, it's just I'm tired, and I wanted to make this video because I feel better right now. But like me getting sick, like I could feel good on the day that I do get sick, even though I look fine for that whole day, and then just randomly you just get sick. So, and then earlier I wanted some cake, so I had some yellow cake with chocolate frosting. And then I got thirsty and I wanted milk, but I didn't want to drink milk right away just because like sometimes I do throw up from it once in a while, even though I'm a big milk drinker. But anyways, enough about that. Let's just, open this. Alright. And Katie is actually very strong on opening bags and boxes. Ooh. Then we have the paperwork here. And then look, all of that. I can't wait to get into these. Okay. So we do have a coupon that I will be using soon when I have more money in my account. And then here is pen number 1. It is the candy boxes. Yeah. And it has like different characters on them, like Dumbo, Peter Pan, Alice in Wonderland, Mulan, which I have, Lady and Tramp, and Neverland, which I do have. So here's this one. So I have 2 boxes of this. Hopefully we don't get a double, but if we do, it's okay. It's not the end of the world, but it's alright. And then this one is kind of covered. So this one is the Disney Villains candle pen. So I will show you this. So I have 2 of these. And then up next we've got more Disney candy. It's like the wrappers that have like the ends to it. So it's that kind. So we have this one. And then this one we have the Princess Sneakers one. I don't know if you could tell. Excuse me. So you can see a little bit of that. And then, yeah. And then we have that one. Right. And I know I don't own any of the candle ones or the sneakers, but I do have the other 2 already. Like I have some of the ones, but it's just not all of them. So. We're gonna open up the villain candle one, so let's just see what one we get today. and I will tell you which one I would like to get. Alright. So you could get Ursula, Evil Queen from Snow White, Hades, I want to say Maleficent, and then 2 other ones that I cannot recognize because I have bad eyesight. So here's the candle one. Alright, let's see which one we get for today. Oh. So it comes in this kind of blind back. Alright. Okay, so it's a light blue. I think this is Hades. And Hades is from Hercules, and I do not like Hercules, but this will make a great trader. Oh, I got Ursula, actually. So that's kind of cool. I will take Ursula. So that's awesome. And then here is the back of the pen. I never show the back of my pens for some reason. I'm just, like, you guys should know what the back looks like. So there's no need for me to, show it. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the pens in this little cup here so that I don't lose them. Alright, and then next we are going to open the princess sneaker ones. And this is going to be a longer video, I could tell you that. Okay. Let's see. I really want Belle, Jasmine, and Ariel for the sneakers. So hopefully we get one of the 3 that I would like. But Belle is always number 1. Jasmine is number 2, and then Ariel is going to be number 3. And that's the princess order that I like, for me. Okay. Come on, Belle. We want Belle. We want Princess Belle today. Because she's our princess. Oh, we got Ariel. Okay. Wow, these are huge. I was not expecting these to be that big. Look how big that is. Oh my gosh. That's huge. Wow, that alright. And then next we are going to open the candy boxes. So I have 2 of these already. Hopefully we don't get a double. If we don't get a double today. But if we do, it's alright, It's hard life. But it also makes good traders. Then you could trade for the ones that you're missing for. Okay. Ouch. I think I have arthritis in my finger. Because when I try to open this, I get hurt. So, wow, it's packed in there. Okay. I want Lady and the Tramp, or Dumbo, or Jiminy Cricket, Pinocchio, because it says Wishing Stars, but I'm not a Pinocchio fan, but it has Jiminy Cricket on it, which I do like. So, hopefully, we won't get a double. I'm really scared to look. Oh, we got Alice in Wonderland. Okay. So far, we're good on these so far. So, Alice in Wonderland. That's kind of nice, actually. And it says taffy on it. So Alice in Wonderland is taffy candy. Alright. And next we're gonna open up these ones. So I have I have the coconut one, and I think that's what Luana, if I'm not mistaken. And then some other one, I think. I don't remember. I should probably look on my back. That would actually help me. I'll look later and let you guys know. I think I have Mulan too, I'm not sure. I could go. Okay. Oh. Speaking of Mulan. How funny. Yeah, I don't have this one actually. So I got Mulan. Right when I say Mulan. Oh my gosh. Kitty. Girl. Alright. And then next we have the candle one. So we're gonna open up this one. Alright. So let's try to get... Oh, that is Jafar. Okay. Okay, that's Jafar. I want Jafar. And I kind of got Ursula already. So let's go for Jafar since I love Aladdin. Right. And these ones are a little bit harder to open for some reason. But, yeah. Okay. Moment of truth. Dun 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 dun. Okay, so this is Maleficent. Okay. Yeah, she's okay. Like, I'll do Maleficent. Alright. And then next I'm gonna do, no, not, yeah, this one, since I already showed it. Okay. Alright. So let's try for Sleeping Beauty or Ariel. I think, I want to say I have Ariel. I think. Do I? Girl, you need to keep track where you are. I know me. Oh, it's a new one. It's a new one. Okay. Oh, we got Cinderella and it's upside down. Whoa, that is like sparkly. I wonder, oh, she is blueberry flavor. Okay. And I'm gonna save the sneakers for last since it's the biggest one of all of them. So let's just open this. And this is the candy boxes. So we have Mulan, we have Alice in Wonderland, and Neverland, which is Peter Pan. And I'm hoping to get Lady in the Tramp. I would like to get that one. Yeah. Oh. Please let this be a new. Blue raspberry gummies. Ooh. I could go for a gummy. Alright. Last box up to open. The last box to open. We want Belle. We want Belle. Belle, 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 Belle. Or Jasmine. ASMR. Okay. We want Belle. We want Belle. We want Belle. And toss. I don't know why I did not toss the boxes this time. Usually I do. And that's not like me. Maybe I'm just growing up. So whatever this pen is might be this one. I'm afraid to look. Okay. Moment of truth. Here's our first one that we got. Hey, I got a pair. I got a pair. That is so funny. Well, I did good until the end. I got a pair for both feet. Well, I hope you guys like this video, and it's probably one of the longer ones I've done in a while. So I hope you guys enjoy and my little reaction to certain things in this video, and there will be more videos coming soon, and also shorts from my Instagram reels that I will upload here. So if you want to see that, just stay tuned. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys next time. Peace.